Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'm gonna show you how to fix phone heating while charging on POCO M7 Pro. First things first, remember that it's completely normal for your device to heat up while charging, especially while you're using a fast charging. But we can minimize that heat. So close all the background apps. Next thing is to use the original charger and cable. Avoid using your phone while charging, so power off and on a nightstand to let it charge. Charge in a cool and ventilated area and remove the phone case. As you can see, I don't even have a phone case. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.